In this video, I'll be showing you how you add a password to a Microsoft Word document. So if you're new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So to do that, let's say I want to put a password on this document here. What I do is, after everything on the document, I move to this tab, which is the File tab here. Good, so I tap on that, and on this section, I move to Info. Good, and then you see Protect Documents, just tap on it, and you should see Encrypt with Password. If you want to make a read-only tool, there's the option. Encrypt with password, just tap on that and you add a password to it. And you see caution, if you forget the password, you cannot get access to this document, or it cannot be recovered. So you add whatever password is it in your head and you tap on OK and you're good to go. I'm not going to do that. Yeah, so that's it on how you protect or add a password to a document of yours. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Have any question, you let me know in the comment section. And that's it for the video. Peace.